Hello, brother, sister. Today I will going to give a review for a solar charger from FLEXSOLAR. The type is E10 Mini. And here we come in the package, the charger, the adapter. Here it is. It's a converter from USB A to C, and it's keychain. The carabiner, a pair of them, cheap carabiner, and the solar panel itself. 2 ampere maximum. So the charging capacity not very fast, but this is just enough for emergency use, and it is also compact size. Okay, now we are going to give a measurement of it. 16 centimeter, and the height about almost 11.5 centimeter, and the thickness is about 16 or 17 millimeter. Okay, this is brand new, and the material thickness is about 2.33 millimeter. I don't know the thickness is matter or not, but from my point of view, this charger is quite heavy. Put it aside. Now we are going to give a weight measurement. Okay. Wait a minute. Is 2.7 gram. Okay, now I will try charging this power bank with this room lighting. Okay, first I will connect the USB cable in here, then I will try to I don't know, it's not moving. Maybe we have to use sunshine, because this is a lighting from the room. Okay, I will update the progress later when I go outside. And now we will trying to put the charger in 45-degree direction to the sunlight. Before this, I just lying flat on the surface and it didn't charge, but it did charge well in 45 direction. I think that's all. Thank you for watching this video.